Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small brush for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement battery specifically designed for the Conga 3690. If you don't have these tools on hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have everything taken care of with no calls and no travel involved. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial to ensure your safety while working on the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to secure the back panel. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel to expose the internal components. Here, you'll want to take a moment to clean the interior. Use the soft cloth and brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated over time. A clean internal environment can significantly improve performance and longevity. Now, locate the battery. It is typically secured in place with clips or additional screws. If there are screws holding the battery, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove them. If the battery is simply clipped in, gently pry it out using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious during this process to avoid damaging any surrounding components. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and align it correctly in the battery compartment. If you're unsure, refer to the markings inside the device that indicate the orientation. Ensure that it fits snugly in place. Now, it's time to secure everything back together. If you had to remove screws to replace the battery, replace them using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the battery is secured, clean any fingerprints off the surfaces to maintain a neat appearance. Finally, reattach the back panel of the device, ensuring it sits flush against the body. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly to avoid stripping them. Before powering on the device, take a moment to ensure everything is in order. If you prefer, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to confirm that everything is functioning correctly after your DIY repair. Now, plug your Conga 3690 back into the power source and turn it on. You should notice an improvement in performance with the new battery. Remember, if you ever need assistance, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any additional service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.